We move straight to the first book review, and this is where I call on our clinical psychologists to do justice to the first book we have. It will be done by Dr. Nasiba Tahir. A round of applause to Dr. A round of applause, a round of applause. Her review is Who Pays My Mom? Who Pays My Mom? Thank you very much.
أعوذ بالله السميع العليم من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله حمد الشاكرين. We thank Allah, the Almighty, the most gracious, the most merciful, for this wonderful day to share with our sister and give her support as she launches this series of books. And I'm happy that a lot of parents are here with us today. As we all leave, we try to pick copies as much as we can to share with our kids, and their friends as well. And I think as parents, we can use it to have a relaxation. My review is on Who Pays My Mom. When Samiha sent me the book, I was very, very excited about it, and I love the unique presentation throughout the book. The book has 29 pages and it's children's book. It is a heartwarming tale that challenges prejudice. Who Pays My Mom is a delightful and thought-provoking book that tackles societal biases against stay-at-home mothers. The story follows a young boy who defends his mom fearlessly. He defends his mom's hard work and dedication to their family, highlighting the various roles she plays at home as a nurse, a mom, a doctor, a gardener, all the multi-task role mothers play at home. It is an inspiring appreciation of an unpaid caregiver. The book shines a light on often overlooked value of caregiving and domestic work that mothers play, encouraging children to appreciate the efforts of their parents or guardians. The protagonist's love and understanding of his mother's contribution make for a touching narrative. It's engaging and very, very interactive. The book features an engaging storyline, relatable character, and an interacting coloring section that summarizes the story. This format makes it an excellent tool for teaching children about empathy, appreciation, and challenging gender stereotypes. I highly recommend Who Pays My Mom to children and adults alike. It's a captivating read that sparks essential conversation about the importance of caregiving and the value of unpaid work. Samiha Sulleyman's book is a must-read for everyone looking for a heartwarming story that challenges societal norms. Thank you very much.
HAFIZ TV, unique every day.